We're quite busy, to be honest. So I'll show you what we've got going on at the moment. We've just took that in Part X at the moment. That's going up for sale later on today. We've just had 3 brand new pure grey Maxis dropped off. So there's 1, 2, 3 there, and there's a third one inside. And we've also got the customer from Ireland that we're cracking on with. We think we did a bad content that last week, didn't we? Yeah. TPS is second home here, by the looks of it. Yep. We've got this one going out today, Jodie. Jordan's drove all the way from Norwich to come and collect his van.
Tell me about this one then.
So this is a 24 plate Maxi DSG Indian Grey. Full Wolfsburg spec on it, as what you normally do. He also opted for the seat conversion 2+1 and full carpet line package. This van's only covered 1,200 mile, hence why Jordan bought it. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much it is a brand new van, to be honest. Absolutely not a mark on it. Jordan's well and truly made up over it. And if we show you the back of it, this is what Jordan opted for. 2+1 seat conversion with the lovely anthracite carpet and LED package. Well made up on that one, he is. And his missus as well. There's a third one that's just been dropped off. I got dropped off this morning. Again, another pure grey.
Brand new from Volkswagen.
Yeah,
that
might
one.
mud that up. What do you reckon? Should we go mud edition on that one?
That'd be nice.
I'd say, yeah. Yeah, we've got no more new ones for myself and mud, so yeah, we'll go mud on that. Again, Stealth Edition, that's going out tomorrow. All our Stealths are sold out now. We did have 3 left, they've all gone now. This is being collected tomorrow. Again, if you want a nice cheap van, lads, ladies, and you don't want to break the bank and you want something reliable, still pretty new, got this going online very soon. Peugeot partner things, or Peugeot expert, one or the other. As well, we've just built a Stealth used. This one's covered 35,000 miles, manual. This is going on live on our website probably early next week. Again, as you can see in this one, bit different. Colour-coded all-track kit. Instead on the mud edition, we normally go for the textured one, don't we? So we've gone for colour-coded. We've actually put the black splitter on, full black pack on it. Roof rails, colour-coded arches like I said before. And we've gone for the black pack on the back. So normally they don't come with the mud editions with the spoiler and the lower spoiler, but Craig thought, let's do something different and build a Bruce Wayne Stealth / mud van. So yeah, let's go for that one. Let's go and catch Harrison, see what he's up to. Well, yeah, so what are you doing? You're doing a quick, what are you doing this one here?
Doing a blow-in.
You're doing a blow-in. Why are we doing a blow-in? What did I do?
We burnt through.
Who did?
You.
Yeah, I burnt through, guys, unfortunately. So I was helping out, doing a bit of polishing. Buffer slipped. And if you look at the camera, I'll pick it up there. Yeah, he's just burnt through the clear coat there. So literally Harrison's going to put my mistake right. He's going to do a little smart repair in there, paint up here, paint the pillar, and just fade out up here. So you're pulling Danny out the shit, aren't you? Right, so yeah, I'll leave you to that one in a minute. Let's go and see what Chris is getting on with. Yeah, the customer opted again for the full carpet line package. As you can see, Chris never stops. What time you been this morning, Chris? About 7 o'clock? Yep. 7 o'clock, guys, and as you can see now, what time is it? 10 past 11, and Chris has pretty much ripped the full van out, sound ended it, dodoed it, and he's carpeting it all now and insulating it all now. So I reckon that, guys, is pretty good timing that. So Chris will probably finish right just after lunch, you reckon, more than likely? Yeah. There you go, nailed it in the morning, done. Yeah, so over to Big Mike. Big Mike's just doing one of our vans that are up for sale. The clutch was, you know, smelling a bit, you know, it was riding high a bit, so he's put a clutch in it, so he's put a genuine new clutch in it. Again, that's live on our website. That's what Big Mike's doing now. What are you doing, Mike? Putting the gearbox back in? Yeah, box is going back in. Mike's a few hours left on that one. So that probably wraps up today on the walk and talk around the workshop. What's up, Harrison? What have we got? You waiting for me? He's waiting for me. Right, guys, catch you in a bit.